Okay, today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to make teleporters. So Doves gave me this asset here. Well, let's use it. Let's use this. Oops. Uh, Holy moly. Use his asset. I was using this little thing, but we'll try to use his. So put that there. Then let's move this one across the map. Put it there. That's fine. Let's give it like a red glow. Oh yeah, and I did make a new layer. I did make a new layer. View layer editor, teleport layer just for this. So we don't mess with like anything else. Okay, go here, name the layer, and hit create. If you don't want to get like delete it there. But I showed that in my tutorial. Yeah, I am using the map that we made in my world edit tutorial. And man, I'm a little tired, not gonna lie. I might move these over, honestly. Base. Let's move these. Move them out. Where's this at? That's weird. I put them to the side so they're not in the way. Okay. You know what? Maybe let's add a little light to it. We'll add a little light. Create light. How are we gonna do it? Think like a point would work, or I'm gonna do a point. Let's do a point. Oops. Yeah, teleport layer. Or a region sphere. Cylinder. No, we'll just do point. Point seems to be nice. Is my light there? The fuck? I guess so. We got double the light now. Let's move this over here. Okay, can I select my light? Okay, just need the one. Move it in there. Make it a little bigger. Like that. Okay, and let's make it red. Let's make it red. Change the color. Nice red glow. Yeah, that'll work. All right. Maybe make it a little. I feel like that's good enough. Yeah. 12. Okay, that works. Okay, copy that. Yeah, we'll put this light over here. Paste. The fuck? Give me the light. I think I put in the wrong layer. Yeah. Teleport. There we go. Looks aight. Sure. Raise it up a little bit. Maybe raise this one up slightly. Where's this one? Give the light. Oh, is that in base layer too? Hello, let me move it. Stupid. Oh, it's an object. I have object selected. My fault. Okay. So now I got our teleporter set up. Let's get it going. So we'll start over here. Start over here. Okay. So we want to create a region. Why is this so big? Why are you big? Oh, okay, I know why. Right here. Okay. Got this region, and let's resize it, get it. Ooh, excuse me. About the same size as the teleporter. So, gun. Teleport layer. Okay. Alright. Now, resize it. Get E tall. Oops. Resize entity. Here. Here. Okay. Because it still might be a little jank, we'll increase it a little bit. There we go. So once you hit this box, the teleport will teleport you. And we'll call it teleport in 1. Make sure it's the same name in the description as well. Well, the top name doesn't matter as much, but you want the description to be exactly when we put it inside the code. Alright, so let's just copy that and we'll just slap it over here. And paste. It's a little off, but whatever. Teleport layer. Okay. I don't know why it's being difficult right now. That's fine. We'll do it like that. We'll do it like that. I'm not sure if it will work with this object, but we'll see, I guess. We'll see. There we go. And this one, we will call this one teleport into. Teleport into. Now, how will we teleport? Get some water. Okay. So, we'll teleport with a create a path. Teleport layer. This will be our first teleport. We'll put it here and make sure it's only one. And this one we will call teleport out 1. Okay. Raise it up a little bit. Okay. Teleport out 1. What's this one called? Put that 0 for now. We might use this. We might use this one if we need to. I mean, I had it set up earlier, but I wasted a whole hour because I'm big dumb. I'm really big dumb. So, anyways, I didn't. We're starting from scratch. This is take 2. Take 2. Okay, teleport in 1, and now we need another path here. Okay. Teleport out 2. Okay, in 1, and that will connect to out 1. Okay, and we got teleport in. Teleport in 1. Move this up a little bit. Okay, now let's save this. We gotta go into our code for this map. I got it up here, but we'll find it. So in your map data folder, you go to common, go to scripts and this again, and then we open up this Lua. Okay. Oh, already got it set up, mostly. But pretty much what this is saying here, this is just a note saying, hey, this is the teleporter tab. You just do 2 dashes and you can do notes. It's teleport 1, teleport 2. So what this is saying is, let me minimize this shit. Close that out so we could kind of see what we're messing with. Okay. Make it a little smaller. Okay, so what this is saying is on enter region, so our region teleport 1 function. If you're in region, if in region, a character. Okay, so that's the player. You can also use entity, which is the same thing. So, but for now, character. Also, I think if you use entity, you could use like vehicles in a sense. You should be able to use vehicles, but I don't mess with vehicles, so don't ask me. But I believe if you used entity instead of character, you could use vehicles. Um, as far as grenades go, I could not get them to work at all. I used like ordnance code for it. I don't know. I need to figure out what the hell grenade is. Because you can do it technically, but it might just be spaghetti code and it might not be possible. But I do think you can throw objects into it and it should work. Theoretically. But that was a big headache for me trying to get it to work like 2 days ago. I couldn't figure it out. Like I tried a lot of stuff. But anyways, going back. So in region right here, teleport in 1 is the region. Character would be your player model. So if character, then, so if the character goes in here, move entity to node. So we will move the character to our teleport out 1. So that means you will get moved to here, teleport out 1. Of course, you have to type it in. We have to make sure this is like the same name, yeah? So teleport out 1. Teleport out 1. And then that comma and 0. 0 is the player character. Now, I haven't tested it in multiplayer, so I don't know if you need like 0 through X amount of numbers. You know, like 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, etc., etc. That might need to be added, but I'm not sure because I haven't tested it in multiplayer. Okay, and then this is just ending this section here, and then this is just ending this section here, and then teleport in 1. This is 2. And then it's just requesting it again, so monkey. Okay, so yeah, teleport in 1, and then activate the region. So once you do all this, it will activate on enter region, activate region, teleport in 1. So that's how that works. So now we need to set up the other one. So teleport in 2, make sure we got it correct. So teleporter 2, teleport in 2. So that needs to go here, teleport in 2. And this needs to move to teleport out 2. So here, okay. All right. And this all goes under your function script post load at the end. And then just end. And then on the bottom, we need, at the very bottom, you will need this code here. I might leave like a text dot somewhere. So for all this, honestly, I might just, let me remake it. So we keep it something simple. And of course, if you want to add more teleporters, just follow the code. You know, like, you know, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever, etc., etc. So let me... Yeah, we'll just make this simple. Oops. There we go. Do that so it's a little easier to understand. Files, save that. There we go. Okay. Did I save this? Save. Okay. Now let's see if it works. That would be something. Okay, munge. Please work. Munge finish. Yeah, I'm not getting... Why am I not getting the notes for it? I don't know what happened. Well, hope it works. I'm not getting the errors for some reason. Open up the game. Now, it might not work, so we might need that third node that I made. So, yeah. And we did it for the one flag game mode with the Clone Wars. Because you'll need to add it to all the other Lua files. Okay, please work. Okay, that's a start. Okay, so we need the other one. As far as I know.
The steps have the flag.
Okay. Let me double check this. Teleport out 1 to teleport in. So out 1, in 1. Okay. Oh wait, do I have these backwards? Wait. Teleport out 1. Entity to teleport out 1, teleport in 1. Interversion. Okay, well let's try the other one then. See if the other one works. Because for some reason, when I was testing it, the one on the other side, don't hurt me, works perfectly fine. I didn't have to use the connector. I just realized I put the CPs in the wrong place for the CIS. It's fine. Excuse me. Okay, that one works. So this one, for some reason, we need the other one set up. Okay. Well, luckily, I kept this one. Alright, so teleport in 3. And then we'll just name this one to 3. Teleport out 3. Okay. And then we'll name this to 2. Teleport out 2. Huh? Teleport in 1 to teleport out. Wait, did I fuck something up? 1, teleport 1 to out 1, and 2 to 2. Oops. Okay. Okay, so this needs to be 1. This needs to be 1. Out 1. Okay. Now this is teleport in 3. So I had teleport in 3. Go to teleport out 3. Sure, why not? And then 2 goes to 2. So I have a 1 and a 3. Okay, it's a little confusing, but yeah, I'm sure you understand. Sure you understand. The process. It's a headache. Okay, 3, 2. Okay, so now we need to code in 1 to out 1. Make sure that's, I keep flipping that. Make sure that's correct. So in 1 to out 1. Okay, so we need a 3 here. Okay. Teleport in 3. Teleport in 3. Move 2. So once you're there, teleport out 3. Oh, I did it again. 3. Okay, so 1 goes to 1. And once you're in here, you go to here, to there. Then you go in here, to there. Or the other one. Okay, I think we got it. I think we got it. File save. File save. I think you could do Control S, but I'm just making sure I actually save it. All right, munge, and hopefully we got it. Hopefully. Oh no, what did I do? Okay. And restart. Okay. First time my brain gets all messed up thinking about this. Please. Okay. So I think what's going on is I'm hitting this. Yeah, it's trying to push us up. Okay. I think that's what's going on. So strange. So we'll just move this hitbox out a little more. Now we'll try it like this and see. Because it needs to shoot us up. And I think we're getting hit with this. So that's why I was using the blocks earlier and it's giving them no collision. So, which I could show you how to do that. So let's just move this back. Okay. Oh, I already have one. Hee hee. Got a block here. Ready to glow. Ready to glow. Ready to go. So I like using the blocks. Although they don't have this cool effect that Doves made. Sorry, Doves. But we'll see if it works with the block. Let's make it big for no reason. But the other one works fine though, so I don't know. Maybe it's a me issue. We'll just do that. Keep the right glow. Oops. Ooh. What am I doing? Light. There we go. See if that works. Move this out some so it's not in the hitbox of that. Okay. So now we should get shot up to here. Oh, wait. the wrong one. Okay, whatever. That's fine. That's fine. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. Did the wrong one. Stupid. Let's do both. We'll do both. I need to hurry up. Okay, whatever. That's a-okay. Kind of move this out a little more. Okay. So, but if you do it the block way, so like you go to blocks, just really quick, just show you. I already had the textures on it, but you know, you go into here, you'll find whatever texture you want for. I just went to water and found water. Then you have to make it for all three. But I already showed all this in my tutorial, so then you just resize it, blah blah blah. Excuse me. Okay. And then you have to give it no collision. I don't think I showed that though. So to get the blocks no collision, you go to your data, worlds, red, or whatever it's called, world 1, and there's a block page. And you have to figure out which ones it is. But lucky for me, I made the material water, so I could easily find it, and then you just put no collision and save. And you have to do it for both the ODF and the mesh. And, yeah, we need it to say no collision. No collision. Let's do it for both. And these tend to reset like every time you save. It's annoying. Alright, let's munge, and hopefully we could be done. I don't want to be much longer. The fuck? Did I not hit save? Did I do the dumb and not save? I swear I did file save. Okay. Let me do it again. Maybe I did the big dumb. I don't know. Okay, let's go again. Okay. Aha. And we did it. There we go. Yeah, I think the hitbox on this was stopping us, because I think it just shoots you straight up. So I think that's why it wasn't working properly. But now we got working teleporters. Well, there you go. Have fun.